This 2022 Prime Time Crusader 395 BHL is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Longs, South Carolina, 29568 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV North Myrtle Beach. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Prime Time is 41 feet 11 inches in length and features sleeps 4 and 54 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bunk beds, bunkhouse, couples coach, front bedroom, kitchen island, loft, mid-kitchen, outdoor kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Prime Time Crusader 395 BHL is 11,909 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.